Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Phantasmic Mickey. So first let's get started with the top of the hat. And we're going to curve this line over and then down on the right. In the middle we're going to curve this line down and then back across. On the left hand side now we're going to arch this line in towards the middle and then stepping across we'll replicate that on the right. Let's move in towards the middle now and draw on the eyes. So in the center, we're going to curve this line from left to right. Let's draw on our eyes now. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then we're going to move over on the left and replicate that, arching this line around and then back down. On the side now, we're going to curve this line up and over. And then in the top left-hand side, we're just going to draw in an oval for the highlight. And then we'll just color in our pupil black. Now moving underneath in the center, we're going to draw in a sideways oval for the nose. And then on the top, we're going to draw in another sideways oval for the highlight. For the mouth on both corners, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching that in towards our nose. And then on the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Now let's move underneath, drawing in a nice big arch line. Now moving in the middle for the tongue, we're going to curve this line over, coming across on the left, replicating that. Moving underneath for the chin, we're going to draw in a small arch line from left to right. And now let's close out the cheeks. So from this corner, we're going to curve this line around and then in on the side. And then closing off the top of the head, we're just going to arch this line around and then in towards our line on the top for the bottom of our hat. For the eyebrows now, we're going to draw in a small curved line that arches down on both sides. Now on the top, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same on the right, curving this line back around and then in, blending that together. Let's close off the hat now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up, curving this line across and then back down. And now starting back on this line, again, we're going to continue to curve this around and in towards the right. Let's draw on the pattern on the hat now. So for the moon, we're just going to draw in a curved line. And then moving further up, let's replicate that again. Let's move up and draw in the star now. So on the top, we're going to draw in an upside down letter V. We're going to bring this line out on the left, bringing that back in. We'll do the same on the right. Now on the bottom, we're going to bring this line out and then back in the middle. And then from that point, just bringing that line down and then back up on the right. Now from here on a diagonal, we're going to draw in another letter V upside down. On the side, bringing this out towards our hat, bringing that back in. We'll do the same on the right, bringing this line out and then back in again. And then on the bottom, just two diagonal lines joining in at the center. Now from here, we're going to bring this line out and then back up on a diagonal. And now that's drawn our ears, so on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in on the side. And then we're going to replicate this on the left-hand side, curving this line all the way around and then back in on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Phantasmic Mickey Mouse. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.